everyone. Today I'm very happy because I'm going to review my favorite book, Everything is Figureoutable. So yeah, here it is. You can see you can see the cover with sky blue background, and that's why I'm wearing sky blue suit today. And so the title says Everything is Figureoutable. So it has been written by my mentor Marie Forleo, and you all know she's a top life coach in US from last 20 years, and she taught me all ABC of business, and she taught me basics which I think no one told me before. So the book is simply wonderful, and I read this book last year actually. And after reading this book, I completed the book in 2 days. So after reading the book, I realized that I can I can do coaching and I can pursue dance as well. Before that, I thought maybe I'll just do coaching. So Marie said that I can go ahead and do everything. So yeah, so after reading the book, I realized that I can do everything, whether it's dancing or, so of course I want to be a great speaker, but of course I want to be a great dancer as well. So before that, I never had a confidence that I can be a great dancer or I can have a dancing business as well. Never I thought of, but somehow dancing makes me truly happy, and I think universe pushed me also after Sushant death to launch something, because I was feeling so many people are feeling sad. So I read this book before. I read this book last October. So I think universe prepare you for everything before. And yeah, so I thought I'll be a great life coach, and that was my plan. But I think universe always has a bigger plan, and I believe you don't meet anyone by accident and you don't read any book by accident. So this book I received at divine timing. So after reading this book, and also you guys know I'm a B schooler as well, so I felt that I can be a great speaker and great dancer as well. And we all know Marie is also, not only she's a great speaker and top life coach, she's a great dancer as well. So that's what she told me as well, that I can go ahead and do everything, right? So I think women like that are so rare in today's world, which want you to grow and who don't drag you actually, and or don't get jealous. So I think if we all women help each other, this world will be a better place. So I think Marie was simply a great mentor, and I received this book at divine timing. So few quotes I truly love by Marie, which truly helped me a lot in my journey, is that if you're talking to everyone, you're talking to no one actually, right? That's why I create content for my ideal client. Also, second quote which truly helped me out is clarity comes from engagement, not thought. So yeah, this has also helped me, because every day I also keep on testing everything. So also Marie always says that consume less, create more, and that's why I try to consume less and be more conscious of what I consume, and I create more. And yes, though I follow other mentors as well right now, so that's wonderful. Like, she give full freedom to do, and I experiment a lot, so she give us full freedom to do whatever we want to do in our way, because I think we all learn by testing and by making mistakes. So I would give a 11 star out of 10. The book can completely change your life, and after reading the book, I felt like because Marie shared her story of last 10 to 20 years, what happened in fact in her childhood as well, and she truly loved her mom. I also truly love my mom, and Marie is like an elder sister to me, and yeah, Marie is like elder soul sister. So because I am elder in my family, so that's why like Marie care for me like a sister, and that's very special for me. And yeah, so also like she's a great business mentor as well, because of course, if we face any challenge, we cannot go ahead and ask anyone, right? I don't have friends in India who are life coach or who are motivational speaker or who are great dancer and speaker both. So yeah, I would give 11 star out of 10, and the book is simply superb. She has, so after reading the book, I felt like that, you know, that even one because her journey has actually helped me out in my journey. So I thought even when I'll share my story, maybe, you know, I can also write a book someday. Not right now. Right now I'm concentrating on being a better speaker and dancer. So yeah, the book is simply superb. I hope you guys will truly enjoy it as well. Have a wonderful and a blessed day. Also, I'll go ahead and share the codes as well in next 3 or 4 days. Bye bye, take care guys.